When it comes to improving your Florence home, there are countless ways to increase comfort, security, and aesthetic appeal. One of the most impactful and often overlooked upgrades is installing energy-efficient doors. Whether you're renovating your home or looking to improve its efficiency, energy-efficient doors provide substantial benefits that go beyond just saving money. They can transform your living experience. Here's why choosing energy-efficient doors is a smart investment for Florence homeowners, combining cost savings, comfort, and environmental impact in one essential upgrade. Lower energy bills and increased efficiency. Florence experiences hot summers and mild winters, making it important for homeowners to manage energy consumption year-round. One of the most significant benefits of energy-efficient doors is their ability to help regulate your home's temperature, leading to lower energy bills. Traditional doors, particularly older wooden doors or those with poor insulation, can contribute to energy loss by allowing heated or cooled air to escape from your home. Energy-efficient doors are designed with superior insulation materials, such as foam cores or polyurethane. These materials help to block air transfer, ensuring that cool air stays inside during the summer and warm air stays inside during the winter. As a result, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature, leading to reduced energy consumption and lower utility bills. Improved comfort and interior climate control. In Florence, where the temperature can fluctuate throughout the year, having doors that keep your home properly insulated is key to maintaining a comfortable indoor climate. Older doors or poorly insulated ones often create cold spots or allow drafts, making it difficult to keep your home at a consistent temperature. By upgrading to energy-efficient doors, you'll notice a marked improvement in your home's comfort. These doors are equipped with weather stripping, tight seals, and multi-layered materials, all of which help to prevent drafts, making your home more comfortable year-round. Whether it's the heat of summer or the chill of winter, energy-efficient doors help ensure that your home remains cozy and consistent in temperature, creating a more inviting environment for your family and guests. Enhanced security and durability. Beyond improving energy efficiency, many energy-efficient doors are built to be more secure and durable than their traditional counterparts. These doors are designed to withstand the elements and offer better protection against break-ins. Many energy-efficient doors are constructed with reinforced frames, thicker materials, and multi-point locking systems, providing superior security and protection. In addition, energy-efficient doors are typically made from weather-resistant materials such as fiberglass, steel, or composite materials, which are less prone to warping, cracking, or swelling compared to wood doors. This durability makes them a long-term investment that requires minimal maintenance, giving homeowners peace of mind knowing that their doors will continue to perform well for years. Environmental benefits. For homeowners in Florence who are looking to reduce their environmental impact, upgrading to energy-efficient doors is a great step. By improving the insulation and reducing the energy consumption of your home, you're reducing the demand on heating and cooling systems, which in turn lowers your home's carbon footprint. Energy-efficient doors are often constructed with materials that are both sustainable and recyclable, meaning you're not just reducing your energy usage but also contributing to a greener, more eco-friendly home. Additionally, many energy-efficient doors are designed to meet ENERGY STAR certification standards, ensuring they meet strict performance criteria to help minimize environmental impact. Increased home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors can significantly increase the value of your Florence home. Homebuyers are increasingly looking for properties that offer energy-efficient features, as they know they'll save money on utilities over time. If you plan to sell your home in the future, installing energy-efficient doors can make your property stand out in the competitive real estate market. These doors enhance the curb appeal of your home while also offering the peace of mind that potential buyers will have lower maintenance and energy costs. A home with high-quality, energy-efficient features like well-insulated doors is more attractive to buyers, making it easier to sell and often resulting in a higher selling price. Variety of styles to suit your home's aesthetic. One concern many homeowners have when considering energy-efficient upgrades is whether they'll have to compromise on style. Fortunately, modern energy-efficient doors are available in a wide range of styles and materials, ensuring that you can find the perfect fit for your Florence home. From sleek modern fiberglass doors to classic wooden doors with energy-efficient coatings, there are options to suit every aesthetic. Whether you want a traditional look for your front entryway or a modern, contemporary door for your patio or sliding door, you can enjoy both beauty and functionality. Minimal maintenance. Energy-efficient doors are designed for long-lasting performance, and they often require less maintenance than traditional doors. Many are made from low-maintenance materials that resist fading, cracking, or rotting, saving you time and money on upkeep. The advanced weather seals and coatings used in these doors also reduce the need for frequent repairs or painting, providing you with hassle-free ownership for years to come. Conclusion: invest in energy-efficient doors for your Florence home. Choosing energy-efficient doors for your Florence home is a smart investment that provides multiple benefits: lower energy bills, improved comfort, increased security, environmental impact, and enhanced home value. With a variety of styles available, these doors not only enhance the functionality of your home but also complement its overall aesthetic. By upgrading to energy-efficient doors, you're not only making your home more comfortable and sustainable but also protecting your investment in the long term.